offer no mudi kan anase omoba in England on Thursday. Also am for your story say Saudi entourage akopie mu England enra Monday no na omudi di omon komo. No, they were there on Thursday.
Oh, okay.
They were there on Thursday. Thursday no verbal offer no mo to Liverpool anim say ombemo 150 million pounds for Mohamed Salah. Now 150 million pounds no mo ko no mo sa pagya Salah ne omanim. Ana mo kache Mohamed Salah say se bogem bia na se sha obenya 55,000 pounds. Ye be sa ma ambassadorial role e wo three major Saudi companies mu. Ebia is 6 million pounds.
Ebia is
6 million pounds. Timi esane 18 million pounds. Omubama Mo Salah 2.45 million pounds a week. That is approximately 10 million pounds a month. Or multiplied by 12 months now 120 million pounds a year. 20 million pounds a year. Abu Dietieni. Omu winning game biana a 55,000 pounds. Winning bonus. 55,000 pounds. Omu winning game biya. Omemano ambassadorial role. There were three major Saudi companies.
Okay.
Ebia is 6 million pounds. It means 18 million pounds. Omuria, the salary no, Omemano 2.45 million pounds a week. O multiplied by 4 weeks now, approximately 10 million pounds. O multiplied by 12 months, 120 million pounds. Mo Salah 80 million in Beka. And winning bonus na mu kura so my. Sa no mu wie ni nyina chi a Mohamed Salah Jesse sahodo obeton no. O mu 30%. I don't know 150 Liverpool for let's say there be about play. But there was a meeting after that particular kind of situation no more encounter. Quality at 40% mo ball mo game no mo ne Al Hilal be boy wi. Na game na ankoye. Omo lose game by 4 goals to 3. Omo Mitrovic do be obedi wo game ni o wan kasa ball boy na they need an improvement. Omo decided san come nko animu bi. They wanted to respect Liverpool at all cost and stay back. Said about they will have the chance to sign him next summer. But after that game no almost no they have to push one last time. It will omagada a bid of 215 million pounds. 170 million pounds near upfront. Now add-ons no I dey aka no. Omo dey call Liverpool for say Liverpool for any scam. Na omo fa Mohamed Salah fa. Omo ko na anye ya. Omo Liverpool bet na se. Na omo pa omo cho se bi omo destabilize omo na so ma bibi omo fa nche omo. Next summer. Omo pese Al Hilal ana say. And I say any other PIF clubs no ebetima form achi ababe sign Mo Salah.
Wow.
Iti omu lay grounds ni nyina time we na say next summer iti abu enne enkosi no na entourage no mu reality ad na me say this money chire Saudi Arabia straight ko Liverpool ma ya aware six kan no de ba ne de emu odu omo respect bo omo nye omo nkona na sam omo nye dai omo mra Mo Salah na emu de M6 kan hunu na kakra na busu afode board chi say everybody she said chairman kaska we the council but Mo Salah respected Liverpool so much to a certain extent he told them say until Liverpool agrees he's not ready to move. Ka Liverpool G2 mu a ka Mo Salah ebe join you.